Hi guys, I'm Traina Saraugi, the senior editor at CA Club India, and today I'm here to thank you guys for your amazing response on the GST Live webinar. We were actually planning to close the registrations by 25th of May, but seeing the need for this webinar and the overwhelming response that we have received, we have planned to extend the registration till 29th of May. For those of you who don't know about the webinar, I'd like to give you a brief about it so that you can make an informed decision. First things first, this is a live webinar. It's not recorded. CA Bimal Jain himself will be talking to you in real time. This is conducted by CA Bimal Jain, who is one of the leading GST experts in the country today. This webinar is spread across 3 days, and it's a 9 hour session where it begins on the 30th of May. The second session is on the 1st of June, and the last session is on 8th of June, which is a dedicated Q&A session, which I feel is personally very important. And with that idea, we have introduced this Q&A session wherein you can get your queries resolved in real time on the topic GST audit and reconciliation, of course. There's one more thing to it. If you think that you are preoccupied during these days, we have actually thought of a solution for that as well. For any of the sessions where he's going to be talking about the GST audit and reconciliation, you will be getting the recorded viewing hours for it, so that when the session ends, you can actually go back to the concepts and review it. For the Q&A, if you think you'll not be available for it, you can send in your queries in advance. We'll get the queries resolved in the live Q&A session, and you can see those answers in your recorded session. So yes, guys, please make the most use of this opportunity, and I hope to see you guys in the webinar.